Welcome to Herbalist's Notebook, where we explore the science underlying nature's healing abilities and reveal the secrets of herbal treatments. Today, we set out to investigate Percepta, an extraordinary herbal treatment with the potential to significantly improve human health. Imagine this: colorful flowers, verdant landscapes, and long-standing customs entwined with contemporary technology. It's an intellectually stimulating blend of modern research and age-old knowledge that enthralls the senses. As the trip leader, I will help you solve the puzzles around Percepta and learn how it has the potential to completely transform human well-being. Prepare to explore the vast realm of herbal medicine, where each leaf has a unique narrative to tell and each treatment has the ability to address a health issue. Together, let's set out on this exciting adventure. Overview of herbal remedies. Throughout history, healers from many cultures have employed plants and herbs to treat illnesses and advance well-being. This practice is known as herbal medicine because of worries about the adverse effects of synthetic pharmaceuticals. There is an increasing interest in natural therapies nowadays. As more people look for non-traditional methods to boost their health and well-being, herbal supplements like ginseng and turmeric are becoming more and more popular as a result of this interest. This pattern is part of a larger shift in healthcare that is investigating holistic methods and accepting conventional wisdom. Overview of Percepta. Well known for its possible cognitive benefits, Percepta is a unique herbal medicine that is gaining popularity in the health and wellness community. Percepta is a product of concentrated components designed to promote brain health and cognitive performance. Among its main ingredients are Gingko biloba, which is renowned for increasing blood flow to the brain and may improve cognitive performance, and Bacopa monnieri, which is known to improve memory and lower stress. Vinpocetine, which is well known for its neuroprotective qualities and ability to prevent brain cell damage, is also included in Percepta. Percepta provides a natural method of promoting mental clarity and cognitive well-being thanks to its special formulation. The science behind Percepta. Percepta's effectiveness is grounded in scientific research and studies that highlight its cognitive benefits. Certain herbs and chemicals recognized for their cognitive assistance are included in its preparation. For instance, the memory-improving qualities of the herb Bacopa monnieri found in Percepta have been the subject of much research. It functions by enhancing neuronal transmission and neurotransmitter function in the brain. Gingko biloba, another essential component, promotes blood flow to the brain and enhances cognitive performance. Furthermore, phosphatidylserine, a substance essential to the construction of cell membranes and a supporter of overall brain health, is included in Percepta. Percepta has been shown to offer cognitive benefits in clinical trials, where participants' memory, attention, and cognitive processing speed have all improved. These studies offer strong proof of Percepta's ability to improve cognitive performance and maintain brain health. Expert testimonials. Renowned experts in herbal medicine and neuroscience have lauded Percepta for its groundbreaking approach to cognitive health. Reputable herbalist Dr. Chen highlights Percepta's combination of natural components, pointing out its historical importance in supporting brain function. Prominent neuroscientist Dr. Michael Davis emphasizes the special formulation of Percepta, citing research proving its capacity to enhance memory and cognitive clarity. These endorsements highlight Percepta's efficiency and offer confirmation from experts in several domains. Their observations support the idea that adding Percepta to regular wellness practices can improve cognitive well-being. Advantages of Percepta. Including Percepta in your wellness regimen might have a number of advantages that improve your memory, cognitive function, and general well-being. With its special mix, Percepta is intended to promote mental clarity and brain health. You might experience better attention, stronger cognitive powers, and greater memory recall if you incorporate Percepta into your regular routine. Important components in this supplement have been shown to enhance cognitive function, assisting you in maintaining awareness and focus throughout the day. Percepta can offer the assistance you require to maximize brain function and foster mental well-being, whether you're working, studying, or just getting by on a daily basis. Using Percepta to support your cognitive health can result in increased productivity, improved mental clarity, and a livelier lifestyle. User experiences. Working mother of two Sarah described how Percepta changed her everyday routine in her experience. She felt cognitively exhausted and prone to forgetfulness from juggling work commitments, kids' schedules, and domestic tasks. After learning about Percepta's cognitive advantages, she made the decision to give it a try. After taking it consistently for a few weeks, Sarah observed a notable improvement in her memory and focus. She had little trouble staying organized, remembering crucial tasks, and approaching obstacles clearly. Sarah feels more assured and in charge now that she has Percepta, which makes it easier for her to manage her busy lifestyle.